if we can create ecosystems that are self-sustainable, but also beautiful, I think that is the absolute pinnacle of gardening, in my opinion. Hey guys, my name is Sonny Remlinger, and I have been a landscape and garden designer for 10 years now. I grew up on a farm in a small town in Missouri. We grew a lot of the vegetables for ourselves, and we also grew vegetables for my mom's restaurant, which is called the Corner Cafe. So I was able to dig in the dirt from a young age and also be taught how to do everything from start to finish in raising your own food. The thing that resonates with me the absolute most about gardening and about garden design is that it involves the beautification and the creation of new ecosystems. I think that's what we should be shooting for kind of across the board, and we should be making our own food and creating our own ecosystems in the process. Some of my favorite designs have been on large acreage that has almost all been totally wiped out by wildfires in the past, and we're bringing in somewhere between 1,100 and 1,500 plants to completely revamp their entire landscape from top to bottom. Whenever people are faced with losing a bunch of their property to a natural disaster or a wildfire, it is really, really crucial for me to be able to kind of put their mind at ease and to be able to recreate their landscape and their ecosystem for them. So that's what I'm most proud of as a gardener.